Introduction to Personalized Nutrition in Lose It.
Personalized nutrition goals can make healthy eating easier and more effective. In this video, you'll learn how to set up and adjust calorie and macronutrient targets in the Lose It app, helping you take control of your diet and track your progress toward your health goals.
Getting started, accessing your goals.
To begin, open the Lose It app and tap on the Goals tab. Here, you'll see your recommended daily calorie target and default macronutrient breakdown. This section is where you'll make changes to tailor your goals to your personal preferences and needs.
Setting your calorie goal.
Tap on your daily calorie goal to edit it. You can enter a custom calorie amount based on your health professional's advice or your own research. The app will use this value as the foundation for your daily tracking, helping you stay in line with your unique nutrition objectives.
Customizing macronutrient targets.
Lose It also allows you to personalize your carbohydrate, protein, and fat goals. Select macronutrient goals under the Goals section. You can adjust these values by percentage or grams depending on your dietary plan, such as low carb or high protein. This flexibility supports a range of nutrition strategies.
Reviewing and adjusting over time.
Your nutrition needs can change as you progress. Periodically review your calorie and macronutrient settings in the app, especially if your weight, activity level, or health goals change. Adjust the numbers as needed to keep your nutrition plan both effective and sustainable.
Conclusion. Making the most of Lose It.
Personalizing your nutrition goals in Lose It empowers you to stay motivated and see measurable results. Take time to experiment with your settings, track your progress, and use the insight Lose It provides to achieve lasting health and wellness.